Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. Today's is going to be a wash day. I already started my hair and I did the Olaplex number 3 treatment off camera because you guys have seen me do this numerous times. So my hair already has it on there and I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out of my hair. I love the Olaplex number 3. It's such a great bond treatment, a pre-treatment for your hair. If you have natural hair, especially colored hair, I highly recommend you giving out the Olaplex number 3 a try. It is expensive, but to me, I see a difference in my hair and I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this all out of my hair so we can go ahead and begin our wash day. So the shampoo I'm going to be using is the Harm Me Not sulfate-free shampoo by Miss Jessie's. I used this in my last video and I absolutely loved it. So I went ahead and gave it another try again and it did not disappoint once again. So I like it a lot. I would personally repurchase this product and pay full price because you guys know I got it half off last time. It's just a really good shampoo. It does a good job of clarifying my hair and not stripping it, so I like it. And I'm going to go ahead and rinse it all out of my hair. So again, I'm using the same product over again, which is the Soften Me Up Miss Jessie's conditioner. I use this in my daughter's hair today for their wash day, and oh my God, it did so good in their hair. It did such a good job detangling their hair. I didn't have like as many tears from them from crying because it was it made their hair super soft and the tangles just literally melted away. So it did good on my hair, and also I love it for my kids' hair, so that makes it even, you know, even better. All right, I want to show you guys what it looks like for me to detangle my hair. I did speed this part up a little bit just for the sake of the video, but the detangling of this stuff is just, it's so easy because this softens your hair up and it gives your hair so much slip. I love this conditioner a lot and it leaves my hair super duper moisturized. So next I'm going to go in with the protein treatment. This is from Botanica. It's called the Mender Protein Treatment. It looks like egg whites, y'all. I've used this before, and I've used this to replace my Aphogee when I don't have time to actually sit under a hooded dryer and go through the whole process of another protein treatment. My hair has to have protein, so this is a very good, cheaper alternative. I want to say this was only $10. I got it from Target. I don't know if they sell it in store, but I ordered it online. I'm gonna try to find it and link it down below in the description box if you guys want to try it. But this is a very, very good protein treatment, but you have to follow this up with a moisturizing deep conditioner afterwards, because you guys know protein is what your hair needs. But even with the Aphogee, it comes with a 2-step with a conditioner, a moisturizing conditioner to go in after it. So be sure if you do use this that you definitely use the moisturizing conditioner after it. But as you guys can see, I let this sit in my hair for 15 minutes while I took a shower, and you can see how my hair just still looks like really good. My curls clump together. I love it. So as for my deep conditioner of choice, I'm going to be going in with the Main Choice Ancient 24 Karat Gold deep conditioner. I've reviewed this line maybe 5 or 6 years ago on my channel, a very, very long time ago. And I love the conditioner from this line and the deep conditioner. So I went ahead and repurchased the deep conditioner again when I saw it at TJ Maxx. And it just gives my hair so much, you know, everything that I need, the slip and all that. So I had to send a hooded dryer to actually let my hair penetrate, and that's it. All right, so I'm going to be going in with the Mixed Chicks leave-in conditioner. For my style, I'm going to be using this Aphogee Curlific Curl Definer. So I went ahead and rinsed my hair out. That deep conditioner keeps my hair like so soft, so oof. I actually love that a lot. My hair looks a little darker, not sure why. I'm so tempted to color my hair, y'all. Had an appointment Tuesday and I had to cancel it because of COVID. So hopefully I can reschedule it soon with her to go ahead and get my hair recolored. But I guess I'm gonna go ahead and do another side part because why not? So because I did not do my leave-in in the shower, I brought a spray bottle with some water in here. There's a little bit of oil in here, and I'm gonna apply the Mixed Chicks leave-in. Here's the consistency of the mix. Alright, so the curl definer, this is the consistency of the curl definer, like a cream. Oh, it smells so good. I love the way it smells. So I'm gonna start off in this back section here and do smaller sections and applying the definer all over my head. That was too much, so I'm not gonna use that much. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do the rest of my hair and I'll be back once I'm done. Alright guys, so I have it all applied all around my head, all the way around. I can't turn around because my chair stops me. So I'm going to go ahead and sit under a hooded dryer, then use my Dyson to finish it off and come back later on tonight and show you guys what my hair looks like. But so far so good. These two products seem to work very well together in my hair, so I am quite happy. So we'll see. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. My mic is on today, so I'll make sure that I'm actually going to have to do another voiceover on this part. So I turned it on and I am like happy with my hair. It came out so good. Surprisingly, this is like a gel. So my hair has like a cast on, or it had a cast on it, and it didn't take long to dry again. It only took maybe a couple hours. I think it's my Dyson, y'all. I bought a Dyson and I absolutely love it. It makes my hair dry very fast, so I think that has something to do with it. But I did use a lot of product, as you guys saw. I did use a whole lot of product of it. I used probably about that much of this product, and I like it. My hair feels good. I did stretch it, so the middle part is kind of soft, but I have a lot of definition. It's not a soft wash and go. My hair, like as it was drying, I was like, oh, I got a curl. I got what do you call it? A gel cast. I'm like, I got a gel cast on this. I just was not expecting that because it looks like a cream. I expected it to be more of a bouncy soft wash and go, and it's more of a gel wash and go, but a good gel, and I'm happy with it. So if you guys like it and you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.